everybody.
Hi guys.
Sorry we haven't done a video for quite a while, but there's been a lot going on. And right now we're in the Socorro Islands, and that's what you're seeing behind us. And we've been here for a couple of weeks, but you're going to find out a lot more about that later, so you're going to have to stay tuned.
And diving with mantas and all kinds of cool stuff. So anyway, we just been learning about the boat, how things work on the boat, where to put things on the boat, how to sail, certain noises, just, you know, getting used to everything in life on the boat, you know, how to do laundry and
yeah, just how to change the way that we were living, because
how to slow
this
down.
is completely different. Yeah, we had to slow down our pace of life, which has been a lot of fun. Been really nice.
Nice and different. I mean, it's kind of weird, like if you need something from the store, you don't just get up and go to the store. Like, you have to pack up a dry bag, get in the dinghy, go, you know, dock the dinghy somewhere, and then get on a bus and go to the store. So everything's, like you said, like with a purpose. So anyway, so we'll show you a bunch of that, and that's what.
Yeah, that's what's going to be coming later on in the video, and I think probably in a lot of the future videos, you're going to hear us talking and see clips, and we're going to describe what's going on with it, and, you know, give that a shot, along with a lot of the video that we've been doing, you know, the awesome shots and the scenery and the sunrises, the sunsets, the sundowners,
yeah,
all the fun stuff.
Not a whole lot of diving so far, except after we've gotten here. This video, when it comes, well, when we do the video on the Socorros, that'll have a lot more diving. It just hasn't been the season for diving up in the Sea of Cortez. We've done some, but like I said, it's not really the time of year. The visibility's pretty bad, and there's just not a whole lot going on. But we do have lots of whale video, because that actually was the season for humpback. So
yeah, most of you guys have probably seen the whale stuff.
Yeah,
that was on Facebook. But anyway, we're gonna have that going, and
yeah,
good to see you guys.
Miss you guys, love you all, bye.
Our first night on the hook, and this is what we wake up to. This is the sunrise that we've got going right over the top of San Carlos right now.
What happened?
I used too much sunscreen. Apparently this goes a lot further than I knew.
You're all white.
Hey, I think you're...
Our friends Thom and Danial come down for the weekend, so we're off to town to pick them up. What are you talking about?
Mexico!
And we are still married.
Today! Hola! I miss you too! How are you? I'm so happy! Before we set sail, Brent goes up the mast to fix the broken lights.
Okay, the tricolor's working. Turn on the anchor light. It's working. Okay, good enough. I'm all done up here. Successful. Hey!
I was once in a dream where I could see all the colors dancing, from the greens to the blues, the touch of your shoes always tapping. There you stand with the colors in hand to tell me you're wishing to never see black, the hate on your back. 'Cause this time it's different, 'cause you will be loved, yes you will be loved again. And I know this, 'cause you will love, yes you will love again. And I know this, 'cause the most beautiful sight is watching rainbows when you're fine. And I watch you dance your colors all night. Trust 'cause you must, feelings of love, don't leave your side. Left in me, fill up your bed, feelings of fear. The yellow bruise with your worn out shoes, tell me you're struggling. And it may not be me, but I'll sure set you free to a different happy. 'Cause you will be loved, yes you will.
I am the captain now. Join us next time when we actually hoist our sails and cross the Sea of Cortez. Explore some awesome caves. A little seaside mining town. Oh yeah, and there's that.
I'm in the men's bathroom at the marina because the women's bathroom was locked. And you can see the thing, but this doesn't do anything. And this is broken off and doesn't even move anyway. Hola, hello. ¿Alguien que me puede ayudar, por favor? Shit. Locked in the goddamn men's room. Can I get to open that? Driver's license. This is not gonna work. Ah, pinky. Put the marking in. Maybe I can turn this with this. Oh, that's working. Ah, fuck. Nice. The paint key that I found on the ground. I knew that I would need that someday.